stop, get me lit. She like the way that I rock, that I rock, that I rock. She like the way that I whoop, I whoop, I whoop. Clap for it. She like to clap for it. And she throw it back for it. Yeah, she throw it back for it. And she throw it back for it. Back, throw it back. And she throw it back for it. Roll another one. Back, throw it back, throw it back, throw it back, throw it back. And she throw it back for it.
What's good, prima donnas? Back again today with another video. And really quickly, I do want to apologize that I've been a little MIA for a little minute, you guys. I wanted to give myself kind of like a week's break to just take a break from makeup, deal with my mental health, and clear my headspace. I did tell you guys this on Instagram, but yeah, you guys, and today I'm back with another video and I'm feeling better than ever, okay? But yeah, I did upgrade my lighting, you guys, and I did tweak some settings as well as upgrade my camera lens. So she's feeling like a whole new YouTuber over here, okay? Let me know what you guys now think of the quality and things like that. So anyways, today I'm gonna be showing you how I got this bomb ass look. Quarantine has definitely got me stepping out of my comfort zone and using shit in my collection that I've never used before. So today we're gonna be testing out a few new products that are in my makeup collection. I went crazy on the VIB sale, you guys, so I cannot wait to show you guys all of the new makeup that I got. But as far as this look, I did use a lot of new products that I already owned, that was already in my makeup collection. But I do want to say this, the star of the show obviously is the eye look. In today's video, I did use these new Kara Beauty. This is their High Times collection, you guys. Yes, there is cannabis leaves on these palettes, you guys. It is so dope. These palettes have pigments. Like, they're super fucking pigmented, like, oh my gosh. So I did get the bundle. If you guys want to cop these eyeshadow palettes, I'll leave them down in the description box. This is my first time trying anything with Kara Beauty, and they were so kind enough to send these to me and as well give you guys a coupon code. So this is not a sponsored video. They were just kind enough to give the prima donnas a coupon code just in case we want to save some coins, okay? So I will leave all of that down in the description box. So yeah, these are the three palettes. So this is the Orange Pop palette, super cute, you guys. I actually did not use this one in today's video. I actually just stuck to these two. This is the Girl Scouts and this is the Purple Haze. So as you guys can see, these palettes are literally super eye-catching and they're fucking bomb. Let me shut up. I want to just jump into this video and show you guys all the bomb-ass makeup that I used today. So yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button before you go. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, guys, bye. Y'all hear this loud ass ice cream truck? Like, come on. So to create this look, I did honestly focus on the purple and the green one. So yeah, the first shade I went in is with the shade Wax from the Purple Haze palette, and this is just a really pretty purple. So yeah, you kind of just want to stamp this on your outer corner, and then we're gonna start building up from here and blend it out. Oh my gosh, you guys, that ice cream truck is so fucking loud. And of course, with just my luck, he has to park literally right outside of my house, right? Love that. Now you want to have a clean blending brush on hand. It doesn't look clean because obviously I did use it on this eye, but there is no product on this. And this is what's going to help you blend. So now we're going to bring it up towards the brow bone. And once we get our base of like the purple, that's where we're going to know like where we're going to put all our other colors. Okay, so now I'm gonna start grabbing a different purple, and now I'm gonna go in with the shade OG Kush, which is more of like a pinkier purple. And now I'm gonna focus this kind of like right on top and like blend it in. The only reason why we use that first purple is because it was a little bit lighter, so we kind of wanted like a transition, a little safe zone before we start going in with the deeper, darker shades. But yeah, at this point now you just kind of want to go ahead and build. These palettes are so affordable, and Like, the pigment is literally amazing. It's insane. So now I'm gonna go in with the shade Cloud 9 from the same Purple Haze palette, which is that hot pink color. And now you're literally gonna stamp. So I'm stamping this literally right in this corner, and then we're gonna diffuse this into the crease just a bit. Like I said, you don't want to OD with the pink. So now we got that little pink on. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade Pass It, which is that super pretty coral color in the Purple Haze palette. I literally am obsessed with this color. It is so beautiful. Oh my god, I love the combination of like colors that we used in today's look. It's literally hot pink, coral, purple, shades of purple, and then just a smokiness of navy blue. Like, beautiful. I get a lot of questions as far as like my looks. You guys are always asking me like, how do you come up with your crazy color combinations? Because literally, like, I don't even know. I don't even have an answer to tell you guys, because I literally just sit down and go with the flow. Like, I had no idea what this look was gonna look like, and I literally just kind of like pick and choose my favorite colors of like each and every palette, and then I'll be like, yeah, I'm definitely using that one, I'm using that one, and then I'll kind of just put together where I see them fit. Obviously the darkest color will go on the outer corner and the lightest color will go on the inner corner. So that's kind of like how I do it. But to be honest, like, I am not no damn color specialist, whereas like I'm amazing at putting colors together. I just literally go with the flow. Like I said, however it comes out. If it looks fried, then we'll wash it off. So now we're actually switching over to the Girl Scout palette, which is the green one. So I'm gonna go in with the shade first, Dub, which is that royal blue color. And I'm gonna add this to my outer corner right here. I want more dramatic, more smokiness. So now I'm gonna go in with the shade Take It, which is that really beautiful, oh my god, I love this shade. Is that really beautiful deep navy blue. And at first I'm gonna kind of like act like I'm putting it on like eyeliner. But obviously we're gonna really get in that outer corner and really smoke this out. Of course, we're gonna blend this out, so do not leave it like that. I'm obsessed with this eye look, you guys. Like all jokes aside, this color combination is really it. Just go back in with the shade OG Kush from the Purple Haze palette, because you are gonna have harsh lines at this outer corner. So you just kind of want to always keep blending. Last but not least is that super like galaxy poppin' ass brow bone highlight color, I Live. I actually decided to add that last minute. I was like, ooh, let's add a little bit of the shimmer, because I didn't use any of the shimmers. Anyway, now I'm going in with the shade Clear Eyes, and this shade is just a beautiful duochrome. It has kind of like reflex of pink, purple, and blue. So I was gonna add shimmer in my inner corner, but I like the fact that this look is all matte and the shimmer is just at the brow bone, because it just adds that fun little touch to the brow bone. And usually my pop is always in my inner corner, so this is kind of like a change for me, and I'm here for it. You know what I'm saying? This look came out lit, period. Oh my god, I'm dumb hype. I love this look. Oh my god, I love it. Let me stop being a bird and let me actually put my lashes on off camera. I'm not going to be doing no wing liner, nothing crazy. I'm literally just going to let the eyeshadow speak for itself. So I'm going to be using the same lashes that I used in my last tutorial. These are the Shine lashes from the On Fleek box. The lashes are on, so now I'm going to move on to face. Hold on. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish So Chill Coconut Primer Water. And this is what it looks like. I honestly just want to use this up because it's literally just sitting there collecting dust. And it is a really, really amazing primer spray. And I love the coconut scent. So try to avoid your shadow. I'm going to kind of like let my skin dry. And for my second primer, I'm going to be going in with the Touch in Soul. This is the No Pore Blem Primer. And I love this stuff. I talked about this in my favorites video a few videos back, and I'm still like obsessed with it. If you guys have never tried it, girl, it is amazing. Okay, so for foundation and concealer, I'm actually going to be using the Juvia's Place I Am Magic. So I've never tried this before, you guys, and I actually copped this when it first came out, and it's been legit sitting in my drawer collecting dust. I will say this, as far as being quarantined, yes, it does suck. But being that there is no stores open, it kind of is pushing me to use shit that I've never used before in my makeup collection. Because obviously I don't want to show you guys the same products over and over in videos. So I have no choice but to dig in my collection instead of buying new shit in Sephora. Which I'm actually proud of, because I can kind of become a makeup hoarder. Kind of just like keep accumulating a lot of new shit and then I'll forget about it and never use it. So I will say that this quarantine has definitely been pushing me to use my shit, okay? As you guys can see, they're both still in the packaging, brand new, never used them. So I obviously got this online, so I am praying that the color is on point because I really want to use this. A lot of people rave about this foundation and concealer. Have you ever tried the Juvia's Place foundation? If so, how do you like it? Comment down below, because I know that this shit is full coverage and it's matte, which kind of scares me because yeah, I know I have dry skin, but I want to try it anyways. This is the shade 550. So off the back, I noticed that it is super thick. I really like the packaging. I just feel like this is the smallest foundation I've ever owned. And it's crazy because I think you get 1 fluid ounce in here, right? Yes. But why is it so tiny? Like, this is what it looks like. Doesn't look bad or anything like that. So far the color looks okay. It is a little bit on the yellow side. This is from Il Maquillage, and I love this foundation brush. Oh my god, it is amazing. Holy shit. This is fucking full coverage. With this little velvet finish, it's actually just making my skin look smooth. You know what I'm saying? And that looks really pretty. Oh my god. I don't know why I was so scared of this foundation for mad long. Like, this is what the concealer looks like, and honestly, I love the concealer. I love the packaging of the concealer. I actually wish that the foundation kind of had like this packaging, like the bottle, clear bottle. I did get the shade 20 in the concealer, and I could already tell that this is probably gonna be too light. Oh, and it's definitely more of like not a yellowy undertone, but I still want to try it. This looks more like a neutral undertone. Oh wow, okay, so that's not that bad. Okay, in the bottle I felt like it looks a lot lighter, or am I bugging? Concealer is actually really hydrating. Like, it's crazy. It's a lot more creamy and like, oh my god, I feel like I'm gonna love this. And it's crazy because they did do a matte finish with the foundation, but a hydrating finish with the concealer. So I feel like they're gonna pair really nicely together. Ooh. Oh, I like the concealer a lot. Oh my god. Coverage is so good. Girl, the coverage is bomb. Eyes, I will be taking the Dermablend. I have a little bit left, you guys. Like, I'm almost finished with it. I'm dying to use this up so I can open up my backup. I don't know, you guys, like, usually when I have a little bit of product and stuff and I'm like, all right, I need to use it so I can throw it out, because like, what is the point? You know what I'm saying? And I don't want to open up the other one until I finish this one. To push my translucent powder on my under eye, only because I love that airbrush finish that it gives. I'm not a fan of baking because, like I said, it does dry out my skin, but I do like to push the powder into my under eye with the sponge. It just leaves me looking really nice and airbrushed. So now for bronzer, this should not be a surprise to you guys because I've been literally going ham with this, but this is the Morphe glambronze bronzer, and I do have mine in the shade Originator, and this is what the bronzer looks like. Oh my god, so good. Ooh, look at how smooth and pretty. On to blush. I will be taking this blush palette. This is the Blush Bomb palette in the shade Coral Kaboom by Karity. Now you can find Karity products, I believe, in Rite Aid, and this is what the blush palette looks like. Ooh, look at that blush. That's cute. Let's do a little pop of color in the waterline because I've been into that lately. This is from ColourPop. This came in the little BFF over chromatic little eyeliner bundles. So this is the orange one, and I believe this one is in the shade Puppy. It is an orange, but it's definitely like a coral orange, so I feel like it's gonna go really, really nicely. I love these eyeliners, you guys, because literally they are not a hassle to put them on. Like, they glide right on, and when it comes to my waterline, I do not want no dry ass eyeliner. That shit better glide on. If not, again, I don't like it. I'm gonna be taking purple on my lower lash line. I'm gonna take the shade OG Kush in the Purple Haze palette, and I'm gonna run this on my lower lash line, and I'm gonna go in with that navy blue from the Girl Scout palette, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Take It, and I'm gonna put this really, really closer to my lashes. So off camera, I actually did go in and take off the orange liner, and don't get me wrong, like, the orange liner was lit, but it was kind of like taking away from the smokiness, and it was giving too many pops of color and emphasizing that orange a little too much, and I didn't want that. So I actually just changed it to black, and this is the LA Girl Shockwave neon liners, but this one is just in the shade black, and it is super creamy and amazing. So yeah, this face is honestly almost done. All we have to do left is highlighter and the lips. So for my highlighter, I will be taking a Juvia's Place highlighter, and this one is in the shade Nefertiti. I will be using the luminous setting spray from Morphe. My lips, right? I'm just like, okay, whoa. Girl, hold on. There we go. Do you guys see how pretty that is? Hopefully I do not spill it, because y'all know I'm a little slow. Ooh, I can already tell I'm gonna love this for the summer, you guys. It is like the perfect true gold highlighter. Ooh, look at how pretty. Last but not least is the lips. I am gonna be going with the Morphe lip pencil in the shade Spiffy. Do not mind the little bit of powder that I do have right there. I'm just gonna bake the sides of the nose real quick. And this is the perfect pencil. This is the perfect lip liner for this look, because this is not too cool tone and is not too warm. It's just like literally perfect. Okay, for the lipstick, I am gonna be taking the Wet n Wild. This is the shade Nudie Patootie. And this liquid lipstick is more on like the cool tone side. Oh my god, it's so pretty. A little bit of Dainty Daze in the center, just to add a little bit of warmth. Okay, that looks better. So this is what the lip looks like. I did just spray my face one last time with the Morphe Luminous Setting Mist, and I think we're pretty much done. I gotta take these pins out my hair and go back over my hair with the flat iron. But I did want to close the video here so that way I could go ahead and do my intro. This is what the look ended up turning out like. I am obsessed, you guys. I love the smokiness. I love the pigmentation of all of these palettes. Like I said, I do have a coupon code with Caro Beauty, so make sure you definitely check that out if you guys do want to save some money on anything on their website. But yeah, you guys, I am living. I'm so ready to take some pictures. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, guys, bye.